Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamoom. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And today we are going to do tri-colored bangles. So let's get started. For this you need orange, white and green colored silk thread. Also few metal bangles. Now take a lid and wrap the silk thread around it for about 35 to 40 times. After you're done, cut in the center and glue the ends. This is how it looks. Similarly, do this with the white and green silk thread. Now take a bangle and apply some glue over it. And start wrapping the silk thread around the bangle tightly. I used metal bangles over here. You can also use plastic bangles bigger in size. Repeat this with the other two colors as well. And after you reach the end, apply some glue and stick it. That's it, you're done. Your tri-colored bangles are ready. Don't they look so vibrant and colorful? And it's perfect for your white kurtas on the Independence Day occasion. I made a set of 12 bangles over here. I totally love them. And if you do love it, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. And once again, happy Independence Day everyone, and do watch my other videos as well. Happy crafting!